20th of November 2017, and let's talk about Nifty. Let's see what's happening in Nifty right now. It's 5 minutes past 1 midday almost. So let's see what's happening in Nifty. So first and foremost, let's go to Nifty, and this is Nifty's 15 minutes graph, right? This is Nifty's 15 minutes graph, and let's see what's happening in it. So if you look into Nifty, yesterday or on Friday, it opened massively gap up, and after that it has been just, sliding down gradually, right? Now, to me, it's in a very, very narrow range, right? If you look into it, that MACD is about to cross from top to bottom. RSI is also taking the support, and this 50 moving average and this 200 moving average is giving a good support, right? But we have not any conclusion as of now, right? And let's do one more thing. We put the morning range of Nifty, and let's see what's happening to the morning range. This is the morning range here, right? It's not broken the morning range on either side. Neither it has gone up nor it has gone down. So it's in a narrow range. Until this narrow range is crossed, we can't say what's going to be the direction of Nifty. Now let's go and see what's happening into the option chain, right? If you see here at 10,200, maximum call writing is happening, right? That means Nifty right now is at 10,281 in cash. It is not going above this. Let me just refresh it and then see what's happening. So here it is at 10,276, and the call numbers, call writing has become higher. So it is today, it's not going above 10,300. And on the lower side, where is the support? 8,000, like it is at 10,200, wherever the highest put writing is happening. And also if you look into the most recent, then it's at 10,300 that we see the highest put writing. So that means Nifty is not going to go down to below 10,200 also, and that is the reason why Nifty is in a very narrow range, right? So although Nifty is in a narrow range, but the stocks that we have identified are doing pretty well. So on my radar is this Tata Global. Tata Global, this is the morning range. Ever since it has broken, it's been just going up, right? That is what my morning trade was. Another trade that I have taken where I'm little stuck up is Tata Power, right? I took it at somewhere around 92 rupees and it is little down. Let's see what happens. It is holding itself for quite some time, so I will wait and see. I have put very tight stop loss, so if it doesn't comply, then I will basically exit it, right? So Nifty, and let me just look into Bank Nifty also today for you. This is Bank Nifty, which is also on a heavy support. Now what I'm waiting for, where can I go long? If the candles go above 10 moving average, right? MACD crosses up and the RSI goes above 60. It's already above 40. If it goes above 60, then I can say I will be in a situation to buy Bank Nifty. Otherwise, no, I'm not going to be buying it. All right, so Nifty as of now looks in a little vulnerable spot. It doesn't seem to be doing much today. It's just there wherever it is. And in fact, rather, I could feel that there is a resistance being built up. Can you see this resistance being built up? So there could be a possibility that Nifty may come down from this particular point. There could be a good possibility that Nifty may slide from these levels, right? So that is what my understanding of Nifty is. But let me talk about some stocks that I gave you. One of them is INLD meter, which is nothing but Imp Power, right? I will show you. I gave it on my Telegram channel. Let me just show you. Okay, before I go on to that, I want to show you BF Utilities. Like BF Utilities is doing so well today. We had multiple entries in this particular stock. We had multiple entries in this particular stock, right? We entered first over here at 372. Our target was 400, which was met immediately. then we again gave it. So I want to show you here, we gave it again second time around on 25th of September at 407. Our targets were 425 and 450. This call is still open. We have not closed it, and it has given a good, today it has given a good run up. It is at 495. Similarly, I would like to take you to, this is my Telegram channel. So as I've been telling repeatedly, guys, for good technical breakout stocks, you can always go here. IMP Power. So I gave it on 9th of we have given it on I'll show you. 9th, I think I gave it, right? 9th is the day that we gave IMP Power. 9th November, 6th, 7th, 9th. 9th is here. See, can you see it here? This is where we gave it. 81 rupees, right? And look at the beautiful run up it has given. Look at the beautiful run up it has given. I'll show you here. IMP Power, right, which is also INLD meter. This is the beautiful run up it has given ever since we have given. We gave it somewhere here, 81 rupees, right? And this is the run up it has given in how many trading sessions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 trading session from 81 to 111, which is good, about 20 points up, or it's about 25-30% up. This is the run up this stock has given. Okay, before I forget, you know, somebody has asked me, why don't you analyze VIP clothing also? Let me just see. Let me just see VIP clothings as well. So to me, this looks fine. You know, I don't have any issues. I mean, some stocks mature fast, some stocks mature later. But to me, this looks pretty good. I have no issues. I say at least till this point, which is 50.70, there is no issue. So just be relaxed. You know, sometimes the movement happens fast, sometimes it doesn't happen that fast, but ultimately it will happen. Another one that I gave you, which you people are bothered about, is Navbharat Ventures, right? Navbharat Ventures also looks very good to me. I have no issues about it, and I'm pretty much confident it will give you good profits. Then one more stock that you have been, you know, which I gave it to you, is Ratan India Power. I don't know, I discussed on the YouTube. I did not give it here on my channel, but I gave it on the YouTube, right? Yeah, on Friday you can see that, and see the beautiful run up that it has given. See the beautiful run up that it has given. This is the run up, and we gave it on Rockers at on Thursday, 7 rupees 15 paisa, and this is 835. Good 15% only in 3 trading sessions, right? So I don't know, somewhere somebody is just repeatedly writing, why do you conduct webinars, why you should not play with emotions of the people. Am I playing with the emotions? I think I'm doing the most noble job of teaching people. People are just involved in their self-centered issues of earning money themselves. I'm here teaching them, you know, and you have my Telegram channel for a record how the stocks have been performing, right? And beautifully, see that this is 715 we gave, it's at 8.5. Ratan India Power. And ITD Cementation, we gave it at 176, and let's see where is it today. Why should, I mean, teaching, I don't know from when it became an emotionally trapping people. I believe teaching is the most you know, beautiful profession one has, and it should have, you know, and it's the least paid segment. You know, I believe teachers should be paid enormously. One, and second thing is, if their students do well, it's paid them, you know, many times, you know, you get it back. Even ICL, you remember, I gave it 117. It has given a breakout today, and we have hit our first target of 130 today, right? So all the stocks that I have given, all the stocks, every single stock that we've been talking about have done really well, really well. So what I'm saying, when I talk about a stock, if you feel convinced, if you feel you should buy, then only you should buy. Please don't enter just because I have given. And I'm saying that you should have the ability to discern between right and wrong, right? Do not enter if you don't believe in a stock. If you don't believe that the stock will go up, please don't enter at that point. So understanding of market is extremely important, and that is why I say you have to learn about market, right? And that is why I insist so much about understanding of the market. So my suggestion is that please join the webinar, and here we really ensure that you all have good, understanding of the market, right? By our analysis. So I don't see there is, and we ensure that whatever is your investment, we do get it back to you. So, I'm really hoping to see you all, so that if you understand the direction of the market, you will be in the right direction. You will not actually go against the market. One, you will understand which trade to enter and which not to enter, right? So today our one of the trade was sale also, right? Today our one of the trade was sale also. We waited for its morning range breakout, and the moment it happened, it has given us a good run up, right? So, I mean, I think a lot of members are writing to me how by watching my videos only they have understood market, and they've been trading. I've been reading a lot of letters to you. So I'm saying that there are some even finer technicalities. I'm saying if you understand, let's say 10% of the market, if you understand about 90% more about it, how will it be? It'll be absolutely a different scenario, right? You will be able to see absolutely transparently whether you should buy or you should not buy, you should enter or you should not enter. That is the call you will be able to take if you understand the market. Fine. So let's quickly once again see what's happening in Nifty. So Nifty is here, right? Now see if Nifty crosses this 50 moving average in the upward direction. Let me see if the international market is open. No. So Nifty crosses above this, then I would say Nifty's stance is positive. But if Nifty takes a resistance from this 50 moving average, if suppose, let's say it goes slowly, gradually and crosses like that. Let me make it smaller and take a pen. Suppose here, suppose this goes like this and this goes like this, right? After some time, it will become a beautiful support and the Nifty will go up. But suppose it doesn't happen that way. Suppose it doesn't happen that way. It happens in some other way. Let's say it goes like this and this takes a resistance and goes like this. Then, there will be a good downfall that we can expect. So what is most decisive? These candles out here, right? They are very decisive. If the candles go above 10 moving average here, then the Nifty do plan to go up, and if candles come below here, right, like this, then Nifty plans to go down. Now it's on a very crucial juncture, right? Nifty has to take a call to go up or to go down, and that call it will take in a while, right? It will wait for the international market to open, it will wait for some kind of a news to come in, and then after that Nifty will take a call whether to go up or to go down, right? That is what it is waiting for. And first sign of reversal you will see in Bank Nifty, because this looks to me more volatile and more promising than Nifty right now. Why? Because the 10 moving average has yet to cross 50 moving average in the downward direction. So it looks more promising to me. Nifty looks Bank Nifty looks more promising to me than Nifty itself, right? So I would wait to see a confirmation whether it's going up or it's going down, right? After that only we can actually enter into our trade for next few days. Fine. So let's see. But the kind of volumes that are coming in, it shows that Nifty plans to go up. It looks to me as if Nifty is heading up. See my stock, Tata Global Beverages is having a good breakout, right? It's having a good breakout. So I'm expecting a good return from this particular stock. Let's see. Let's wait and watch and then see what's happening here. Fine. So any other stock? ITD Cementation is also one stock that I gave it to you at ITD Cementation. If I remember, I gave it at 91 rupees. Oh no, ITD Cementation I gave it at 176, and it has come up to 212. It touched today 212 and 13, and it even touched 235 few days back. This is the beautiful run up this particular stock has given, right? So I'm really waiting for you all. It is an investment of 30,000, but with the promise that you will be able to recover it back from the market. You know, like one stock that we made our members buy, just investment of 7,000 rupees, and 1,000 is back. You know, trades like this, 30 trades like this, and your money is back. And I have given this stock for a long term, and I'm 100% sure in recent future also this will give a good return. I mean, I'm expecting it to definitely go to about 9 rupees, 9.5 rupees. So these are the kind of trades we will do, and a few option trading, and then your recovery is done. And what is it? The beauty is that your money, your classes become absolutely free. You remember 𝐿 pipe? What values did we give? We gave it somewhere around here, 365, and it has given a good breakout. Yeah, on Friday it gave a good breakout, and still it looks very, very good to me. Still it looks very good to me. It looks definitely to be heading up somewhere way above. Somewhere way above it will go. I'm hoping it to give us good return. Right, this is 𝐿 pipe. That is also looking good to me. And quick heal, I gave, you remember I gave quick heal? That also is doing pretty good, right? The moment it crosses this barrier of 224 convincingly, it will be, you know, uncharted territory. 258 is gone nowhere. And then I've given you Crompton Greaves Consumer, right? I gave it at 220. It is at 246 within few trading session. So analyze these stocks, learn these stocks. You have a good proof here. You can just run through my channel and see what are the stocks I've given and how they have performed, right? Ashiana I have given at 173. It's still at 173. Let me see Respond Industries. What's happening to Respond? Respond India. So it's here, 41.35. And where did we give it? We gave it at Respond India, we gave it at 44.3, right? So still it is on a support. You know, I don't think that there is any of much concern, you know, although it might have gone down and hit the stop loss, but still I don't prefer to keep stop losses when it is the positional stock. To me it looks good, and I'm expecting a good run up next week onwards, right? So I'm expecting a good run up next week onwards. So don't worry about it. You know, somebody has asked me that we have limited capital. How do you expect us to expose ourselves into so many positions? So what I'm saying, just spend a little amount of money. You know, like if you have, let's say, 20,000 rupees. So make a group of 2,000 rupees and take 10 stocks. That is a better way of going about it. So at least if 2-3 are down, 2-3 will definitely give you a good breakout. So rather than investing totally entire money into one stock, just spend 2,000 and see. You know, like you also have to learn. So see, put it on the graph, see why I have given and what are the reasons behind it. Probably you will be able to understand something, and then slowly, gradually, you will keep understanding why it is happening and why am I giving a particular stock, and you will be able to get better returns. Fine. So I'm waiting for you all, right? All of you, please make up your mind. December and this month, 2018, you should enter with the determination to win in the stock market. And trust me, it's not playing with your emotions, but it's a resolve to teach every single person out there. I mean, I don't think so any teacher had this in mind to only earn money. It is the mindset also. Otherwise, everybody else who's earning in the market can do that. But it's my mindset to really, really teach everybody so that you can, all of you can earn money. And I have shown you the performance of my Telegram channel, Hudson Agro. gave it at 690, right? We have given at 690. Let's see what's happening in Hudson Agro. Hudson Agro is 8. Look at it. This is the beautiful run up it has given, right? We gave it at, you can see from here, we gave Hudson Agro at 690, and it is at right now 866. It even touched 961. Good about 300 points from where we gave, almost 50% return in few days. So we will teach you every single thing, how we evaluate the breakout to be coming in, how we evaluate, you know, where to enter, where to exit, but you will have to take that first step and join. We have plenty of time. I'm sure within this week or beginning of the next week, we should be able to sort out the HDFC Bank and SBI card EMI options as well for you. And I'm really looking forward to see you all there, and you know, having a good understanding about the market and then entering into it. So with this, I'm signing off. Good day. Bye bye. Just quick glance at Nifty before I close. So this is Nifty. I'm going to go to 15 minutes. So if Nifty's candle close above this 50 moving average, if it closes above this, I'm expecting Nifty to give us a good run up, right? Technically, it looks, you know, to be until the barrier crosses, nothing can be said. Or how much will it go up? So somewhere about from this point, about 20-30 points definitely can be expected, right? That is what my understanding about the Nifty is right now. So with this, let me sign off. See you tomorrow. Good day. Bye bye. Please share my videos with others. Thank you. Good day.